Hi guys, in this video we will be exploring something called conditional formatting, just in a very brief way. This is one of the more advanced features of spreadsheets, and what that basically means is something about the formatting of the cell will change given the value or the number that you put into it. And we're going to be using that idea to help us draw, again, 8-bit pixel images. So again, if you're an artist, maybe you like this. If you're not that much of an artist like myself, maybe it's just a chance to learn about conditional formatting. Okay, so I'm going to try and recreate this 8-bit pixel version of Link from The Legend of Zelda, and as best as I can using a spreadsheet. So the way we do that, we start on that top row, and we're going to recreate all these green squares. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So I'll start right here. And the way I get it to be that color of green is I go to my legend, and I know it's approximately that lightish green color, which is 8. So if I put 8 into that cell, it turns green. And I'm going to do that 6 times. And then for my next row, it starts 1 to the left. And I'm just using tab to go over. And that next row starts at the same point, starts with a green, and then it goes brown. And I'm going to say that's more of a 1. And then back to an 8. So you can see what I'm doing here. So I'm just tracing this image line by line and just picking the colors as best as I can using my little legend here of different colors. And when you're all done with your pixel image, again, this is one I've had done in the past, you can create something like this. So, and even if you're not an artist, I think it's pretty easy to use this technique and to use conditional formatting to make pretty cool looking 8-bit pixel images, even if you're not that much of an artist like myself. If you have any questions, you can ask it during the morning meet, or just make as many pictures as you want. Have a good day, guys.